Hey guys, it's Chris, and as you can probably tell, I'm outside our facility here in Castle Rock, Colorado. There is some snow on the ground that I'm pretty sure you guys can see from that angle. I'm not 100% sure on that, but it is winter here like it is everywhere else in the US, and so you're probably done with your RVing adventures for the year, probably back at home with friends and family, which is awesome, or maybe you're a snowbird and maybe you're in your winter location, and that's also awesome. I'm very jealous of those of you who are maybe in Florida or California right now and you have a beach around you. We sadly do not, so again, very jealous. But as we round into the end of the year here, we just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys first and foremost for being a part of this channel and for your business. We love that we get to be a part of your journey, that we get to help guide you and provide products that make your RVing life easier. So again, thank you. We also just wanted to take a moment and celebrate a couple of things. The first and foremost being that we just crossed 2,000 subscribers on this channel. And that's a big deal for us because this is something we're really passionate about. We love being able to help guide and educate from here, but also entertain. We want to make RVing as fun and as easy as possible. And yes, one way to do that is through our products, but another way to do it is through things like this. So we love getting to do this. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. If you are a subscriber, and if you are not, now's your chance. Subscribe now. I promise you won't be disappointed. We can't wait to have a lot more of you along for the ride. Going into next year. We're gonna be having a lot of great content releasing in the next year here. We're gonna start doing some things like dealer spotlights. So we're gonna shine a light on some of our dealers that have really been great partners for us and that we would recommend to all of you. We are also going to be having some stories from different RVers over the next year that are really gonna be enlightening. So if you're looking at RVing or maybe you're not sure yet, or maybe you're brand new to it, stories and experience from RVers who have been around for a while is huge. And so we're going to really incorporate that a lot going into next year. And most importantly, if there's content that you'd like to see that we don't issue or we're not addressing, please reach out to us, whether that's in the comments here or whether that's via email at contact@rvibreak.com. We love to hear from you guys, and we want this channel to be really geared towards you. So if there is content that you would like to suggest, videos that you would like to see, please reach out and let our team know. Thank you so much again, guys, for being a part of this journey. We are so grateful for each and every one of you, and we cannot wait to continue this journey with you into the new year here. So thanks so much. Have a Merry Christmas. We are gonna have another Christmas message from the entire team, but from myself, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we cannot wait to see what the next year holds.